Okay, welcome to all again. I think that you have installed the Photoshop, you set up the scratch disk, you calibrated your monitor clearly. So now we are going to launch Photoshop and we are going to learn about how to work in you Photoshop interfaces. So let's go and explore the Photoshop. We can select Photoshop here. Then Photoshop, we can see the Photoshop, we can select the Photoshop. Photoshop will launch. I'm selecting file new. In file new, you can see on the top recent saved photos. These are the presets file sizes are available print, art and illustration, web, mobile. What type of design you want? You want to work on a film, mobile design, or web design, art and illustration, print, photo, anything is available here. I am selecting print and I am selecting this file. Okay, one more time file new. I am selecting the print I selected one more time. I am selecting A4 size. Here you can see uh, the width and height. If you want to, I used to work on inches, you can see the inches. Resolution is a 300. It is a 300 pixel per square inch. Color value is RGB. Background color of the artboard means the canvas is white. This is a color profile. We are created the color calibration. The pixels are square. There is a multiple types of pixels, but all these below most of them are video related. But we are usually to work on the square pixels. So create. So now the this is a entire interface of Photoshop. This is called this is tools. This always be there in the left side, and multiple tools are there. You can access through the shortcut key, or you can just click and access on that. So that is an advantage of this one. This is a very important. Any tool you select, that tool the icon will change to that tool. So you can easily understand. I am working on this tool. This is a thing. The first thing is this is a canvas. This is a sorry. You want to reset the things easily, you can just go here, reset the essentials. It will go and stand where it was taken. So that is the easy way you can do that. So this is the canvas and this is the toolbar. And again, I'll showcase one more thing. See, if I'm selecting the tool, you can see the top bar is changing. Each tool having multiple options. You can see that the options are changing. This will affect while working on the tools. So very important. What are the default settings are here? Most of the people have a lot of problems when using brush and other thing and opacity and everything. So whenever you are selecting the tool, you can also check the options. Next one is another very much the heart of Photoshop is layers. So this is called for a layers panel. So if how to access layers panel is Windows layers. It will hide again Windows layers. And I'm going back and placing it here. You can drag and drop the layout things here. Again, you can. This is another uh, item you are working on. This is channels. So if you want to merge together, just drag and drop it. This will work as a group, and you can place it anywhere you want. Okay, if you want to reset everything, go to this reset essentials. It will like the default how it is Photoshop is arranged. It would come on last way. Then what you need to understand. So I am selecting the brush tool. I am drawing something. So now it is you are not able to see anything. You also think that what happened because the color is. You can see I want to increase the size of the brush. Opacity I need to increase. Again I need to increase the size. So now you can see that. So what the mistake is happening? I drawn on this background. So you cannot do anything if you draw everything on the background. You cannot do any editing. So what you can do that I am deleting the entire things I created here. I am adding one layer. Now I am drawing something. So now it is on the another layer. So this is very important when you are working on the layer. You need to work on the layers. And you need to understand these are the options. When I started drawing, I have to see two things. One is color is white. Second one is the brush size was very small and opacity also very small. So you need to understand the option one. Another one is menus. You can select this. You can see all the menus, edit related menus. Again, you can see image related, and again you can see layer. This will learn step by step. So up to this time, you need to understand that this is the tools panel. This is the properties panel of all the layers, channels, and everything. You then this is a canvas. All the work you are doing here, and this is options. Each tools there will be a different option, and this is menus. So that's all about this Photoshop interface video. Please go through and watch it. And if you want to do everything by default, you can just reset essentials.